Am I not visible? Am I not audible? Can you please respond?
Yes, ma'am, you are audible.
Okay. Is the screen visible, Neetu?
Yes, it is.
Okay, so I have shortlisted some of the students, like just a second. Keshav, is Keshav there in the session today? No, I guess he is not there in the session. Rugved, Nitya, I guess Nitya is there in the
Yes,
session.
ma'am.
Yeah, so Nitya, I would like to tell everyone that Nitya's CV was really very nice. Like whatever I've taught you in the earlier session, her resume was really very nice. I would really like to appreciate her. And students who have not yet submitted their CVs to that Google form which I floated 1 week earlier, I would like to request to kindly fill that form so that I can shortlist the students and their mistakes which they are making in the form basically, or in their resume, which are the mistakes they are making, and to enhance your CV basically. So, Nitya, I would like to screen share your CV if you don't mind, with due permission.
Okay, ma'am.
Just a second. So the network, I guess today's network is good. I mean, last session it was so much hectic with the network. Is the screen visible? Is Nitya's resume is visible, students?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so basically, I would like to refer this CV because most of the students have already submitted, but the CV was not in a good format and the detailing was not that good. Nitya, you have done a really great job. I would like to appreciate you for a second because look at the way she formatted the whole resume and look at the way she put it all the details not in a very vague way but in a precise format. Like you can all refer to this resume if you want. I guess this is not the perfect resume. You can have your own formatting, you can have your own kind of creativity in your resume, but all you can do is refer to the CVs. You can you should put basically your first name, then your contact number, mail ID or LinkedIn ID, whatever it is. Now, as I've already discussed in the last session, that education was the first thing which you guys have to mention in your CVs. So, this is the whole education wala thing. Now the certificate license she has put on, the internship experience she has put on, the responsibility she has done, and this is the co-curricular, extracurricular activities, and of course the last but not the least, language and skills section are the most important because most of the recruiters are basically look forward on your languages wala thing. Matlab, they really much like they are really much into Hindi English, and it's good if you have another language in specialist, basically other than Hindi and English. That would basically a beneficial point for you. So this is the whole CV, and I guess she's the only one who has made it really in a great way. So just a second. So student, now we are just gonna start the session. So first, I have like shortlisted so many firms and companies for like where you can apply for your internships or placement or whatever. Like especially intellectual property rights students who have interest in this subject and who have done course from into legal world can apply. So the first firm is Indian Patent Office, and students here they basically like focus on your creativity and innovative energies, and you can all google the details, all the research, and you can do on this Indian Patent Office. This is a very well reputed office. You can apply to this office from this official website which I've mentioned. Just a second, this so this is the official website by which you can apply your internships, and basically you just need to send your CV and that's it. They'll recruit if they want, and if you are coming into the criteria, and if you're not coming to the criteria, you will be getting rejected. So don't worry if you get rejected. There are so many X opportunities which are available in your future, rights. So the second is Parker and Parker Company. This is a LLP basically. You can apply here, or like if you have corporate in like interest in corporate law as well, you can apply to this company. So this is the official website of this Parker and Parker Company. You can apply from this particular website as well. Now, students, CIPRA, Center for Intellectual Property Research and Advocacy. This is sort of firm which is served by NLSIU Bangalore. It offers basically remote internship opportunities, and all the details, the phone number, and four email IDs I've mentioned, three email IDs I've mentioned. You can apply from this mail ID as well. Now, RKD internships. So, RK Divan offers variety of offices which are situated in Mumbai, Delhi, Pune, Chennai, all metropolitan areas basically. So you can do internships and you can apply from home. This is the contact number I've mentioned. This is the details about Mumbai wala office. Now this is the detail about Pune, which is situated in Shivaji Nagar or somewhere in the outskirts of Pune. This is the contact number for that. And Chennai, and last one is Delhi. Basically, three offices they are serving. You can apply to this firm as well. Now, last but not the least, Wipro. As you all know, it's an international company. You can apply here with the official website I've mentioned here. This is the official website of Wipro. And as soon as you get like as soon as you open this website, you will see on your left hand the apply for internship wala logo. You can directly click onto that logo, the form, internship form, where you have to put some details, the formalities. You should just fill up all the formality and just submit it. If your CV is good enough, they'll select you, and if not, there's no problem. So, students, these are some of the details I have searched. 5 year students and students who are like interested in any of these to apply for the internships, you can contact me. Or if you're facing any problem for internship or placement regarding, you can tell me that too. So any doubts so far, students?
I'm where to mail to contact you or any contact number detail. I'm the new in this session.
Neetu, were you not there in the last session?
No, ma'am, I could not able to join it.
Acha, just a second. I'll just put my number on the chat. You can contact me there. Yeah, so Neetu, this is the contact number. You can contact me on this number. And Nitya and Rishabh, Barsa, any doubts so far?
No, ma'am.
Are you interested in applying any of these firms?
I've not received
Yes.
the chat yet.
Sorry,
Not received your chat yet. It's not there in the chat box.
please check, dear. I've already sent it. Refresh your chat box.
No, ma'am.
Just a second. Now, have you
Yeah.
received?
Yes, yes, yes. No, I've
Yeah,
received.
okay. Yasmin, Rishabh, Rasika, any doubts? Are you interested in applying any of the firms, or apart from these firms which I've mentioned, are you interested in applying or something? Like,
Yes, ma'am.
okay, Nitya, so what firm are you interested in applying?
Ma'am, I think all are good, all are like famous. But then NLSIU, I think, is better for students because it's an opportunity given by a college itself, and it's NLSIU. So and
Yeah,
Vipo's organization was also good because it's the main organization which makes
yeah,
rules regarding this.
yeah,
Yes.
yeah, yeah. So are you interested in applying?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so I'll just send the document, I'll just float it into the official group. You can have the website and apply to the firm, whichever you are interested, and revert me back if you are getting selected or not, if you are if you are putting your details in the form or not, or if you're facing any kind of issues, you can like feedback me anytime.
Okay, ma'am.
Any other doubts you wanna ask or suggestion you wanna give or anything like
Ma'am,
this
any
is the
format you have circulated during your first session, since I was not there, so I could also able to make my resume as per the
Mhm.
format.
I'll send you the document in that all the details I've mentioned, and I guess two of the shortlisted CVs have also have mentioned. You can refer to that CVs, and any like doubts you face, you can contact me.
Okay.
Excuse you, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, so those shortlisted CVs are for like internship or like what?
Sorry, I didn't get.
Ma'am, you said that few CVs you have shortlisted. So those
Mhm.
shortlisted CVs are shortlisted for internship.
See, dear, internship and placement, it's like CV is just one only. Like there's one person CV is one CV only. You can apply to the internship from that CV and you can apply to the placement from that CV too. Like you don't need to make two CVs for two different things. You just need to mention and create your CV in a way that it will look more mature. All the detail has to be true. You cannot fake the details, of course. And all the experience which you have gained so far, you have to put all that only.
And ma'am, what about that freelancing? Like, how can we apply for freelancing opportunity?
Freelancing wala cheez I'm not handling, dear. I'll let you know who the person is handling freelancing wala thing. I'm not the authorized person for that.
Hello, ma'am. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Ma'am, we did not get that draft which you are going to provide, and also I did not get certificate
A certificate of what course?
of IPR course.
Have you seen like we have two or three times we have floated the Google form. Have you filled that Google form?
Yeah, ma'am. In fact, for 3 times I have filled that form.
Acha, still you didn't receive. Have you checked the PDF of certificates? All the certificates is mentioned in that PDF.
Ma'am, but I searched for my certificates, it was not there.
Acha, it was not there. Okay. Send me your details. Kindly send me your like WhatsApp me your details. I'll get your certificate prepared in 2-3 days. Don't worry about that. Is it
Yes, ma'am.
okay? Yeah.
Yes, that is completely fine.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
even my certificate is also not been sent by the concerned person.
Acha, have you filled the form or not, Neetu?
Yes, yes, that I have done way back. And I have given my details to Amresh sir also. And I just need to follow up. You can also take my details and
Yeah, just WhatsApp me your details, Neetu and Rasika. Both of the people, you can WhatsApp me the details. I'll get prepared it.
okay.
Okay, ma'am. Thank
So
you.
let's call it a day. Or any doubts or any other suggestions you want to ask? No? So let's call it a day.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Bye, students. Thank you.
Bye bye.